Deep in the lush rainforests of Southeast Asia, monkeys roam freely among the treetops, swinging from branch to branch, a vibrant part of the ecosystem. Their habitat spans dense mangroves, tropical forests, and riverbanks, where they forage, socialize, and live in complex social hierarchies. These primates are not only part of nature, but also the raw source for a unique luxury leather industry. Today, we take you behind the scenes of a modern factory, where these materials are transformed into premium leather goods. As raw hides arrive, every piece undergoes meticulous inspection. Skilled workers examine each hide for texture, thickness, and imperfections. Only the highest quality hides are selected. They are carefully measured, catalogued, and prepared to ensure a traceable workflow from start to finish. Once sorted, the hides are gently washed to remove debris using specialized machinery that preserves the leather's delicate structure. The next step is curing, where hides are immersed in controlled solutions to preserve them and enhance flexibility. Timing, temperature, and chemical composition are carefully monitored to maintain quality. Following curing, the hides enter the tanning process with natural and synthetic agents to achieve durability. Tanning involves a series of treatments where hides are repeatedly soaked, drained, and processed to achieve the desired texture. Technicians monitor each batch to ensure uniformity and quality. Once tanned, hides are thoroughly rinsed and slowly dried in temperature-controlled air systems to prevent warping or cracking. The leather now begins to take on the rich color and supple texture that will define the finished product. After drying, the leather moves into finishing. Skilled artisans use precision tools to buff, smooth, and enhance natural patterns. Dyes and protective coatings are carefully applied for consistent coloring and durability. Each hide is polished to a soft sheen, highlighting its unique characteristics. Traditional craftsmanship combines with modern technology to achieve a flawless finish, preparing the material for cutting and assembly. Cutting begins by tracing and slicing patterns for bags, wallets, jackets, and other luxury items. Automated cutting machines work alongside human hands to ensure accuracy and minimize waste. Each piece is marked and sorted by product type. Small scraps are recycled or repurposed, reflecting the factory's commitment to sustainability. Precision cutting sets the stage for the transformation from raw material to finished luxury goods. Assembly is where leather becomes product. Artisans stitch, emboss, and construct items with meticulous care. Threading, edge finishing, and decorative details are applied to ensure functionality and beauty. High-speed machines complement handcrafting, creating seamless, durable joins. Quality control teams inspect every item at multiple stages for stitching, uniformity, and overall craftsmanship, maintaining the highest standards throughout production. After assembly, products undergo final inspection and conditioning. Leather is moisturized, polished, and carefully packaged. Each item is tagged and boxed, ready for shipment to boutiques and clients worldwide. The factory ensures all products meet international standards for quality, design, and sustainability, reflecting the fusion of nature, technology, and artisanal skill in every finished piece. From the wild forests to skilled hands in a high-tech factory, each step reflects care, precision, and respect for the material. This journey transforms natural hides into premium leather products, combining durability, beauty, and craftsmanship. Behind every bag, wallet, and jacket lies a story of nature, innovation, and human ingenuity, capturing the unseen journey from forest to luxury item for all to admire. And so concludes our journey inside a modern monkey leather factory, where centuries-old raw materials meet 21st century technology. Nature's gift is turned into luxury art, reflecting the delicate balance between wildlife resources and human creativity. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating exploration of industry. design, and the meticulous process behind every exquisite product.